Okay, so I just got my package in, and here it is, still shrink wrapped. It's a OnePlus One unboxing. I just received it today, July 31st. Let's open this puppy up. So let's see, there's some holes right there. Okay, there it is. Let's open it up. Oh, alright, hold on. Baby problems. Okay, sorry about that. Our baby was getting into some stuff. Had to make sure she wasn't getting into any trouble. But here we go. Going to open this. There's a little tab here that's... What's going on here? There we go. Open that up. There's the box. Take it out. This one looks like it was possibly produced on 7/18/2014. Let's see if I can get that to focus. It's not focusing. There we go.
Mommy.
Okay. Okay, there's a little sleeve. How does this open up? Assuming this tab has something to do with it. Or not. Okay, there it is. Looks nice.
Mommy, can I have some more, please?
Get it up.
Okay. Apparently some people have been receiving their units with some dents or scratches or something like that, so I just wanted to video this unboxing just in case I ran into a problem like that, but so far so good. I don't see any kind of scratches or dents or anything like that so far. Okay, let's take off this, let's make sure there's no scratches or anything. Nope, looks pretty clear and clean to me. So far so good. I'll probably charge this puppy up and turn it on and make sure that it runs alright. And I will continue with the video later at that time. Thanks.